Hey guys, Cynthia here, back with another video. Today we're finally gonna make Wublin Workshop monster sounds. So to start off, we are going to do Flaugra. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna show you what she sounds like. Track 2. Okay, now let's get fret. Alright, this is track 1. Track 2. Track 3. Alright, now it's time for fib horn. Track 1. Track 2. Next is parafish. Parafish. Track 2. Okay, now it's time for buzz picks. Track 1. Track 2. Now, for someone that I did not tell you about, I added a new 2 element. It might be a bit familiar. Trust me, this guy, he's already been in my YouTube shorts. And plus, I'm gonna add the other one I made up too. Trust me, it's gonna be so good. Introducing Paraffin. So this is where we finally add paraffin to a specific island, and this is going to be not ethereal. How stupid can I be? Wublin workshop. What the hell is this? Anyways, so this is common paraffin. Elements are electricity and fire, and there's a rare paraffin that's based off the rare candelabra concepts, like cold paraffin basically, and then we have epic paraffin, which is based off of plants. So I'm gonna get to his sound. Woo! Also, in the future, we're gonna add drum monsters. It's just a really synthy island right now, and it's gonna sound so good when it's finished. But I don't know how to edit, so you guys will need to find a way to, like, organize a song until I get older, and then I figure out how to edit. Alright, let's move to paraffin. Also want you guys to know that I changed paraffin sound so it doesn't sound like all stacks or an echo voice. Alright, let's just get into it. Track 1. Now time for track 2. Track 3. Alright, now it's time for the castle base. Castle base track 1. Track 2. Anyways, that's it for this video. I will definitely add drum monsters to the following weeks and more drawings. I do not want to upload the thing that tells you all about. I'll just keep it 5 monsters because I cannot. I don't have an eraser, so bye.